Oh yeah, just another day here. One moment at a time, right? Okay. Love you. Make your day beautiful. Kiss, kiss. Hello? Oh, hi! Yes, I can still make my appointment on Thursday at 10. Just a cut and color, right? I just need some me time. Yeah. Thank you for confirming. Aloha. Bye-bye. Hello? Yes, my usual order. You can deliver the pizza to the same place. Yes. $6 more. Okay, just go ahead and do it. Thank you very much. Hello? Oh, hi, sweetie. So good to hear your voice. FaceTime. Okay. Give me just a minute. Okay. Hold on. Give me just a sec. I'll be right there, sweetie. Okay. Okay, yeah, almost there. Alright. Okay. Yeah, still here. Still here. FaceTime. Ooh. Hi. Oh my gosh, so good to see you too. I know. I just am so busy today. I need 8 hands. I know, but I love you very much. I'll call you later, okay? Love you. Kiss, kiss. Bye-bye, sweetie. Oh. Aha! There it is. The break room. Snacky and shishi. Surprise! I thought this was for climbers only. Sometimes the loudest thing in the world is silence. Righteous word. Who needs to pee anyway? Come on, Missy. You're almost there. Do 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 do. Really? How you doing? Ah!